All right, thought I'd do a little video talking about rockers for 24 valves. Shop Thrills on Instagram, this guy, just did one. I seen it and I thought, I should probably do one on my channel. Good idea. All right, now that you're looking at these, you're probably wondering, why is there 3 different ones? So not all rockers are the same, but not all rockers are different in some cases. So early 24 valve, I'm just going to show you the exhaust rockers. Early 24 valve, you'll see a similarity here in a minute. Later 24 valve, I think, don't quote me on this one, but I think it's 2001 and 2 use this rocker. And you can see the difference here. See how this one has a little plastic piece here? And that's actually the retainer that holds that from falling off, where these ones are actually crimped on. And then this is from a 6.7. So any of your 5.9 common rail trucks are going to be like this. And then I think 0102 VP44. I know this is out of a 2001. So I know that they're on it, might be even 2000. But anyways, super easy. If you take the valve cover off and you got that little plastic piece, you could have this problem. You should pull it off and check. So let's pull a rocker or the trunnion out. Like I said, this is out of a 98. Might have to get a rag. So 98. It's incredibly hard to do one hand. That one can come out of there. Well, that's part of the problem. Can't even get that one out of there. And then 6.7. So your hindrance on these, if you look at these two, they're basically identical. And then if you look at this one, it doesn't have that extra oil groove in there. And this is what happens is, see the gull mark in there? These gull up, this gulls up, and then they don't move properly. You can have all kinds of problems with that. There's all kinds of different things. If you're putting a fresh engine in a truck and the engine that you purchased does not have rockers on it, you need to check this. If you buy a normal long block from me, it does not come with rockers. If you buy a loaded long block, it does. The reason for that is if you have a 6.7, there's probably nothing wrong with them. If you have a common rail 5.9, possible there's wrong with them, but not necessarily. A lot of them have been changed. And if you have an early 24 valve, pretty good chance, no problem. Easy to check. Like I said, if it's got that plastic little dingle on it, probably no good. Anyways, hopefully that helps somebody out, especially if you're having a funny running problem. This could be your problem. Lack of oil.